Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set the image durations in the CapCut PC. So in here, I want to add these two images into the timeline. But first, I want to set the duration. So if you want to do the same, you can just follow my step here. You can click on the menu first, go to the settings, and then in here just tap on the edit tab in here, and you'll see the image duration option. So in here you can set the durations to how you like it. So the current settings is 5 seconds. So for example, I'm going to set it into only 2 seconds. You can just change it and tap on save. So when you add the images that you want, it will automatically set into the durations that you have been set before, which is 2 seconds for me. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.